There's ground zero of the hill. There's abandoned cars here. And there's cars fighting to get up the hill, but they're not making it. This guy's been spinning. But even if he makes it, there's nowhere to go. He doesn't know that though. The rest are just spinning. It's at the bottom is of two giant hills. You can't make it up either side. And you just won't make it. You can hear them spinning out, but and then right when you get to the center of the bottom of the hill, these are all the sidewalks. These are all the sidewalks just full of abandoned cars. I mean, there's nothing else to do at this point. You're not going to make it up the hill either way. You're not making it up either way. The car's just running out of gas out here too. That guy ran out in the middle of the road. And then all here is it's just full of empty cars. Like I Am Legend. But there's just people everywhere. Empty cars. And you're not making it out.